This hair is like, it will be like a lot of maintenance. It's super like bright and out there, so if you don't like them bright and out there colors, then this would not be for you.
I said I'm cool on it, baby, yeah. I'm straight. You say it's love, I don't want it, yeah. Too late, but you too much.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you all about this hair today, and yeah, so just stay tuned for the video. Okay, this is bright AF. OMG. I feel like this looks like wiggy. Then it doesn't come like all the way down right here. So I'm not like gluing it down or anything. This is like super bright. Ugh. I don't know how I feel about this. Let me make some baby hairs. It did come with like some baby hairs. Alright, y'all, so this is the hair. I do like it a little or a lot more that I put some black eyeshadow inside the roots of the parting, but this hair is super synthetic. Like when I say synthetic, I mean synthetic. Okay, but it does take heat. I did use my hot comb on it, and you know, it didn't burn or anything, so that's pretty good. But this hair does also shed like no other. Like, it's crazy the way this hair sheds. Yeah, this hair is just all over the place. I don't know, I like it, but I don't like love it, you know. I feel like if you want like for a night out, or you know, just for like something like, it's not for like every day or anything like that. I guess if you want to like go out and party or something, I don't know. But it's like super synthetic and like wig looking to me. But I do feel like it looks okay. Like I could get away with it and like, you know, go out and still be like a bad bitch or whatever. But yeah, it's not like boom, like you know, you feel me? But it is cute. I wonder if I could like dye this hair or something. But also something I don't like is that it doesn't come all the way like down for like your sideburns. So that's something to think about. Like this hair is mainly for like the center. Like this center part is, I guess, all that will look good, but the rest will like around the edges will just be like, you know, you gotta always wear your hair hanging. I wonder if I could just pull some down behind my ear. I could get away with it like this. That still looks kind of weird to me. Like, I don't know. But I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Let me show you all how long it is. Comes down here. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this hair in the comments down below. This is something like you will have to work with, and it's like one of the one night things, even if it's like, I don't know if I want to say like for a costume or something. I don't know, but it's nice. You do have to work with it. I wonder how it takes with like curls and stuff like that. But I don't know. I think I will probably also wear it for a day, and then I'll probably like leave some more information in the description box about this hair, because right now I just know this hair will be all over the place, especially like the wind blowing or just doing like, you know, daily things. Like this hair will be all over the place. Thank you all for watching this video. If you all are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you all next video.